Does it say it's recording now?
Wait a second. Put it all back up. We got to restart.
Right. Could you imagine?
I would
What
cry.
happened to my hammer? Oh. I probably don't even need it. We're just gonna knock it. Get out of the way. Was that Phillips? Yeah, screw it.
I got my fingers.
You good?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, good.
I'd be fat.
What we're looking at, and the reason why we're being so safe with this is because you see these big extension springs here. These are the springs that actually kill people, if you guys can see it. These are the dangerous ones. And it's not gonna look like we're gonna be able to do it safe. And the reason I say that is because typically you have to bring the door all the way up
Thank you.
to be able to do
Sorry
that.
about that.
And it's just not gonna be able to happen. It's unfortunate. Sam, look,
I'm coming.
that bottom, that's so crazy, dude. Look how actual dangerous this is.
Oh.
That's the bottom bracket. That's insane, dude.
I didn't even see that.
Yeah. That's like so scary. Do you have anything long that
No.
bolt cutters?
No.
That would have worked so much better. I mean, it's not like it's gonna fly, but this thing's gonna come down. I might just cut it right here. There's not really a good way of doing this.
Nope. All right, that wasn't bad.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
That was scary. I heard it, man. I thought it went this way. Oh my goodness.
This is madness! This is Sparta!
Hey, stop.
oh yeah. Yep.
That's unfortunate.
Oh, that's the whole frame board.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Man, a mosquito got me. Ugh.
Ooh,
I really haven't been touching it, though.
I'm hot.
What are these
You guys
squares?
ever seen the Badabadook on Netflix? Huh?
The Badabadoo?
Oh my God, go home and watch it. Maybe not with your kids, Eddie, but you should watch it. Thank you, sir. Released.
All right, I'm gonna drop it.
We're good.
I might go home and grab some long sleeve shirts for us.
I forgot about those.
All right, guys, I think you've had enough fun seeing us struggle with this door from the 50s. So we're gonna get a little time lapse going.
I make nothing. Zero. Zilch. By the time I pay all my scientists, all my people in my research department, lab coats, it's a wash. Well, why you do it then, baby Billy? Well, 'cause I'm selfless.